Here's the thing about Jamaica. You can easily drive past a slice of paradise without even realizing it. Thankfully, that didn't happen to me because someone who lives in Treasure Beach let me in on a little secret. So there I am, cruising through Treasure Beach, and I spot this sign that says Frenchman's Bay. Now, most people would just keep driving because the place doesn't exactly scream Instagram-worthy paradise. But I was told that Frenchman's Bay is a beach where you can also grab something to eat. So I had to check it out. You drive past that sign, park your car, walk into the establishment, and you're hit with colorful buildings and a stunning view of blue-green water meeting golden sand. And here's the beautiful part. No tourist crowds. When I arrived, I grabbed something to eat, and then the rain started falling. All the locals cleared out, and suddenly I had this massive beach practically to myself. Then that golden sand transformed into dark brown and black sand. Seeing those dark sand colors against the blue-green water was striking. Not a single tour bus in sight. This is where the locals come. And now you're in on the secret too. I've been back a few times since, and it feels like the first time with every single visit. The beach is free to use, which is already a win. I showed up planning to stay for maybe an hour, tops. 3 hours later, I'm still there, living my best life. That's just how it goes at Frenchman's Bay. The vibe is so laid back that time literally stops mattering, and if you're loving this hidden gem as much as I am, do me a favor and gently tap that like button. It really helps us keep uncovering these amazing spots for you. So I grabbed a spot at their beach bar and restaurant and ordered some fried fish. I'm sitting there with reggae music playing in the background, eating this incredible meal while watching the waves roll in. That's what I call pure bliss. The sunset here, pure serenity. It just calms your soul, and you can see all these beautifully painted fishing boats bobbing in the water. It's authentic Jamaica at its finest. They've also got bathrooms and showers, which is great because nobody wants to drive home covered in salt and sand. These are the little details that make a huge difference. What I love most about Frenchman's Bay is that it's the kind of place where you can actually relax. No agenda, no schedule. Just you and the Caribbean Sea doing its thing. So here's my advice. When you're planning your Treasure Beach trip, don't sleep on Frenchman's Bay. And definitely don't just drive past that sign. Pull over, walk through, and prepare to lose track of time in the best possible way. This is the Jamaica that doesn't make it onto those glossy resort brochures. And honestly, that's exactly what makes it so special. Until next time, keep exploring, keep vibing, and remember, sometimes the best discoveries are hiding behind the simplest signs.